Living in La La Land. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a colorful and intriguing expression, living in La La Land. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or casual conversation, this phrase carries a unique blend of humor and critique. Join us as we unpack its meaning, origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. Let's get started. Living in La La Land refers to a state of being out of touch with reality, often dreaming or having impractical ideas. It implies that someone is not paying attention to the real world and its problems, living in their own little bubble of fantasies or denial. This phrase can be used humorously or critically, depending on the context. It's a vivid way to describe someone's disconnection from practical matters or their indulgence in unrealistic expectations. The term, La La Land, is commonly believed to refer to Los Angeles, LA, California, known for its entertainment industry, particularly Hollywood. The city's association with dreams, glamour, and sometimes superficiality contributes to the metaphorical use of La La Land to describe a dreamy, detached state. However, the phrase has evolved beyond its geographical roots to encompass any situation where someone seems lost in their own world, regardless of their actual location. To better understand how to use living in La La Land, let's look at some examples. 1. After hearing his unrealistic startup ideas, I realized he was living in La La Land. 2. She thinks she'll become a famous actress overnight without any effort. Sounds like she's living in La La Land. These examples illustrate how the phrase can express skepticism or amusement at someone's detachment from reality. Using living in La La Land requires sensitivity to the context and your relationship with the person you're speaking about or to. It's perfect for light-hearted, friendly conversations where a little humor is appreciated. However, it might be best to avoid it in serious or formal contexts, as it could come off as dismissive or disrespectful. Always consider the listener's feelings and the situation before using idiomatic expressions like this. Understanding and using the phrase, living in La La Land, can add a playful and insightful element to your English conversations. It encapsulates a common human experience, the tendency to drift away from the realities of life into our own dreams and fantasies. We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also the cultural nuances that make English such a rich and dynamic language. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonderful world of English with us.